Chimo. I'm so glad you came to save me. You came from heaven.
Ma'am, please. Can you help me with some water?
Water?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty too. That's why I brought it with me. I'm going to church. I don't know how long I will stay in there. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm thirsty too. Like, I brought the water for a reason. I'm going to church. Huh? Thirsty.
Buy your orange.
Excuse me. Ma'am, can I have some water, please?
Water? I need my water.
Yeah,
it's so hot.
But I thought you could help me.
But I need the water. It's so hot here.
I've been thirsty all day.
You thirsty? I need this water. What are you taking now?
Wow.
Orange.
Miss.
Again? What is it you want again?
Do you have any money?
Money?
Talking about something to eat.
I'm not making any sense today. See my oranges. I've not sold anything. I don't have any money here. The only money with me is the change I brought. Let me see. This is the only change I have here.
Yeah, I'm really hungry. Want something to eat. Can you help me, please?
Oh God, I've not sold anything. You just take this one. Take only one. Let me give this one to myself, please. Now, wow. To this.
Excuse me.
Hey, oh God, what is it now?
Do you have a phone?
You want me to give you phone too? I don't have phone. I don't have any phone. You can say I'm selling oranges, okay? I don't have any phone. You want me to give you phone too? I don't have phone, please.
Wait.
Wait.
I have a phone. I'd like to give you a phone.
To give me a phone?
Yes. You said you didn't have a phone?
No, I don't have phone.
So I would like to give this to you.
Why? Oga, you want to give me phone?
Yes.
Hey, Oga, you want to give me phone? Oga, who are you?
Don't worry, I just want to give it to you.
Hey, Oga,
it's a nice phone. You're
welcome.
welcome.
You so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, Oga, God bless you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bless you.
You're welcome.
Hey, thank you. I've never used phone, no. Hey, Oga, thank you. Hey, oh my God, Oga, thank you. Oga, thank you. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Hey,
relax.
Thank you. Oga, God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Relax.
Thank you.
And that's not the only thing.
Hey, Oga.
I have something else for you.
Hey, Oga, thank you.
Look, you've been so kind. You're a kind woman. So many people passed me on the road. I asked for water, but you stopped and you gave me water. And you even went so far to give me money.
Hey.
So I would like to do something special for you. It's my 50th
this is
birthday.
Too much already. This is too
much. It's my 50th birthday. Come.
50th birthday. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. Come. Hey. Don't worry about the orange, Don't worry about it.
Come.
Hey. Phone. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, no problem. No problem.
God bless you, sir.
This is your lucky day.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
You've been a blessing to me.
Yes.
And like I said, it was my 50th birthday.
Yes.
And I want to bless somebody.
Oh my goodness.
But so many people walk by.
Hey.
But you,
sir.
You did not walk by.
Sir.
So I'm blessing you.
Sir, thank you.
This is your lucky day. God bless you.
Amen.
I wanted to give you.
Hey! Oga, are you serious?
Yes.
Oga, this car.
Yes, this car is for you.
Hey!
In celebration of my birthday.
Okay, are you serious?
Yes.
Okay. Hope you're not pranking me. Hey! Hey! Chimo! Okay.
Come.
I'm not dreaming. Okay. Hey! Chineke.
Come. This is the papers for the car.
Okay.
They're showing that you own this car. No one can take this car away from you.
Okay.
You can go where you want to go, come when you want to come,
Hey!
and move your fruits around.
Hey! Okay.
Also want to bless you with dollars.
Olga, where are you coming from? Are you from heaven?
No,
Hey.
You've been such a blessing. You gave me water. I was looking for someone all day.
Okay,
See how being a blessing to someone, you may have wanted this water, but you decided to be a blessing and gave me the water. You gave me water. You see, you could have used this water yourself, but you decided to give it away when you was thirsty yourself to bless someone else.
Hey. Okay. This guy is for me.
Yes.
This one money.
Here's the key.
Hey! Chimo! Okay, God bless you. God bless you. I'm bless you again.
Down.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, look.
Okay, God bless you. Hey.
Look, I have to go to finish celebrating my birthday.
Hey.
I just want to leave you this car and this phone.
Hey. Okay.
And I'll keep this water.
Okay.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, God bless you. Okay, you will live long. Okay, you will live long. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, is well with you. Hey.
Celebration time, celebrate. Oh yeah, Meguna, come on, celebrate. Celebration time, celebrate. Hey, oh yeah, Meguna, come on, celebrate.
Hey, from Orange.
Hey.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. This is true. This is my phone. This is my car. Hey, hey, for the Lord to be praised, oh. Hey, just because bottle of water. Just because of bottle of water. Hey, am I dreaming? Now I'm now a car owner. I'm now a car owner. Hey. Obey. I'm going crazy now.
My sister.
Chimo, I think I have to go now.
Celebration.
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know. I met a man. Where is that man, sir? He has left. I met one man at that place. And the man asked me for water. A bottle of water. And I gave him my water. My sister. The man said, can I give him money for food? I said, okay, I give him the little change I have with me. My sister, you can't believe this. Before I know it, the man said that if I can give him phone. I said, okay, I don't give phone. The man said, okay, that he wants to give me phone. That this is his 50th birthday.
Wait.
Oh, let me finish now. The man now gave me phone. Where's the phone? Oh, okay. This is the phone. The man gave me this phone. No phone. He gave me this phone. He gave me all this money. He gave me car. My sister, I don't know if I'm dreaming.
Wait.
I don't know if I'm dreaming.
You said he asked you for water.
Yes, a bottle of water like this. I was holding water. You know the sun is too much. I was holding the water. Hey.
Was he wearing like a green?
Yes, green top,
Hey!
green shirt like that.
Shimo,
And he was looking so unkempt. Yes, that's the man.
he gave you this car.
Yes, you know him. You know him.
Hey, Shimo.
Do you know him?
Hey, oh, he asked me for water when I was coming to church. Hey, no, he gave this to you. Hey,
You know, he asked you for water.
no, he asked me for water. Only water. Hey,
Hey!
oh, God.
It's good to. Thank God I'm the one that gave him the water. Thank God I'm the one that gave him the water. My sister, hey, thank God I'm the one that gave him the water. I gave him the water. I gave him the water. I gave him the water. And he gave me this money. He gave me money.
How can I be so? Even the water self, I didn't even drink. And I just missed something good. Look at the car. Money. Phone. Oh.
Hey, thank God.
Chai.
Thank God I'm the one that gave him the water.
How did I miss this? Even the water stuff I didn't drink.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm now a car owner.
Hey.
Hey.
How did I miss?
Father, thank you. I'm now a car owner. It's good to be good. Oh. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. Oh. Father, thank you. It's good to be good. Hey. It's good to be good. Oh. It's good to be good. It's good to be good. Oh.